And so what happens from here, Mikki? What do the next couple weeks of your life look like? How do you think this will play out? And then what's next for you in the next year or so?
Well, again, we're just rolling with it. We're moving out of California. We're on that Exodus train. And so we have a few things, logistically in our life to take care of, finding good places for our kids to be, and finding places that have good education and sanity, to be perfectly honest with you. I was born and raised in California, and it's been a real tough thing to witness its decline, its rapid decline. And it just continues to get worse here. And so we, like so many others, are looking for the next place to go. And so we'll be doing that in the next couple of weeks.
Okay. Worse how, Mikki? When you say worse, what do you mean?
In terms of the decline of California?
Yeah. What are the things that first come to mind when you think about that?
Political policies that have literally, it's when you look at the territories that have pushed these lockdowns, that have pushed small businesses out of business, that have been so callous in their policies that they have not thought about the lives of the people and how they're going to be affected. Our governors here, the politicians here, the uneducated decisions that they've been making that are really destroying the lives of a lot of people. To watch San Francisco, which used to be my stomping grounds as a teenager, because I was born and raised in Sacramento, and San Francisco was a place we'd go to party on the weekends and go to see bad, heavy metal hair bands, and to see what's happening on the streets of San Francisco. I've had, before we moved out of LA, I had offices in downtown Los Angeles, to watch the rapid expansion of what at one time was called Skid Row, and then expanded everywhere, to see tent cities popping up everywhere. Even where I live now, to see motorhomes parking on sides of roads, dozens of motorhomes that just found a free place to park, and they park until they're kicked out. These are people without homes right now. And I would love to stay and fight for my city, for my state, but at this point I have to think about my children first. And I can't force them to endure the policies and the stuff that's happening right now, the amount of fear. I don't want my kids to be out on the streets seeing people in so much fear. My wife and I we're now gun owners. When I used to be, I wouldn't say anti-gun, but against it. And now everyone's going, wow, I guess there's a reason to actually own a gun right now. And it's like, when you understand that there are, riots happening, and these riots are vowing to come into urban cities and to urban neighborhoods, and these are real things that we all have a potential of experiencing in the very near future. And these groups are being funded by the worst people on the planet, and being empowered by the media and by certain politicians that just keep telling them that, literally bailing them out of jail when they get caught for enacting terrorist actions. And to see that kind of stuff happen is enough for me and a lot of people to just pack up and go. And so, that's why I'm making this decision, because it's all around us, and I feel for the people that are homeless. I really feel for the people that are the incredible amount of mental health issues that were already occurring that are now doubled, tripled, quadrupled because of this lockdown. It's driving people mad. And when you live in a place that empowers that, what do I say other than, you just got to get the hell out.